Hi everyone, I'm Jackie with Sony.
And I'm Derek.
And we're at Sony headquarters. Today, we're going to talk about all things LinkBuds. We're also going to give you tips and tricks on why you need the Sony LinkBuds in your life.
Yeah, and there's a lot of tips and tricks that we want to share with you guys to make sure you get the most out of the LinkBuds because they are so unique. And one of the features, of course, that makes them so unique is the open ring design. There's actually a hole in the LinkBuds that allows the outside world to be connected to you while you're still enjoying your content. Now, the cool thing about that is the flexibility of uses that you can do, but still be enjoying all of your content wherever you are.
The LinkBuds are also very small and light, so they weigh just under 4 grams, which, fun fact, is less than a nickel per LinkBud.
That is about the weight of 4 raisins for those of you keeping score out there.
Fun fact.
Yeah, and because they're so small, there is a bunch of different options for the fitting supporter, which is kind of the big way that these guys fit into your ear. There is a silicone ring here that when you fit it into the ear, you rotate it underneath the cartilage here, so it fits nice and stably. It's really, really comfortable, really, really lightweight, as we mentioned before, but depending on your ear size, it's going to be different. So they give you the different options to find the right fit. I found out that apparently one of my ears is slightly smaller than the other, but what are you going to do?
Well, that's interesting. So my experience was a little bit different. So I actually was able to use the fitting supporter that came on the LinkBuds right out of the box.
I thought that makes it very convenient.
Yeah.
But if you do want to know a little bit more about how to fit them correctly, our friend Nate shot a fantastic video that we'll have a link for on the screen as well as in the description below. And with the small size and the lightweight and the totally unique design, there are so many different use cases for how the LinkBuds can really fit into your life. In my particular case, I am a fan of listening to music. I have a 2-year-old daughter, and we don't always agree on what we want to listen to. And sometimes I need to have that little bit of extra comfort in my life of my own music. So being able to be fully aware of what's going on with her while still enjoying my own music makes such a big difference. And thanks to the integrated V1 processor, it's super clear and super clean music. Of course, conference calls come up on occasion as well, as you know. Yeah, sometimes, right? And the precise voice pickup technology makes it really clean for everybody else to hear me, while also I can hear them super easily. On top of that, sometimes these conference calls last a long time. And when I need to go out and do my thing, I still need to be on the conference call. The adaptive volume control does a fantastic job of automatically adjusting the volume so I can still enjoy what I'm listening to, but still be aware of what's going on all around me.
See, that's awesome, Derek. So I use my headphones, same reason, just a little bit differently. So I am not a big phone call person, but my mom likes to talk to me on the phone. So I'm really thankful for the LinkBuds ambient noise suppression. So I like to cook and wash the dishes while I'm on the phone. And it's really cool because my mom can't tell what I'm doing when we're having a conversation. So I've literally asked her, like, hey, can you tell I'm washing dishes right now? And she's like, no, I can't hear anything. So that's pretty awesome.
That's cool. It's good to be. Sometimes you need to not let them know what you're doing too.
Right. And I need my hands to be free, so it's awesome that I have that feature. The other way that I use them is when I go hiking. So I have a small dog and I really enjoy hiking with my dog. So the LinkBuds are actually IPX4 rated, so they're sweat-proof. So I use these all the time, to be honest with you. I use a speak to chat option. I always make sure it's turned on. So Derek will talk to you a little bit about the speak to chat option in the app, but essentially when you're listening to music and you start talking, the music actually pauses, and then I go about my hike, and it's awesome because the music will start playing again.
That's a good way to make sure that if you need to be connected instantly, you just have to start talking. Yeah. Very cool feature. One of the other really cool features about the LinkBuds is the ability to control them differently than you do with most other types of headphones or earbuds. It's actually the wide area tap. So if you actually want to control them, you actually tap just in front or around the ear. I actually just did that right now. You'll have 4 different options as far as what they do at any one time, and that's customizable within the Headphones Connect app as well. I like to kind of wear them all the time, so if I'm out shopping or if I'm at the park with my daughter, keep my hands free and then just a real quick do that and go back right to what I was doing. So it makes it really, really seamless.
Yeah, that feature is actually a lot of fun that I can just tap the side of my head. So when I am cooking and I do a double tap, I actually answer phone calls, and then when we're done talking, I triple tap and hang up. So
I'd be using that triple tap quite often
Yeah.
myself if I needed to. But all this is actually customizable within the Headphones Connect app, as I mentioned before. And you can actually adjust which ear does what function, however you want based on your use cases. And it also can turn on or off features like the speak to chat. I know that's something that you use quite often.
Definitely.
There's also an EQ. So if you're a bass head and you want a little bit more, feel free. They sound amazing right out of the gate, but if you want to tweak it a little bit, you absolutely can do that.
You can actually check the battery life too in the Headphones Connect app. So yeah, it's really cool. So let's talk about battery life. So with the LinkBuds, you'll get up to 17.5 hours with the charge case. Each use will get you up to 5.5 hours. And then we have a quick charge feature. So if you're anything like me and you forget to charge your headphones, you can do 10-minute quick charge and get 90 minutes of playback time. So I go to the coffee shop all the time when I'm using the LinkBuds, and for 10 minutes and I'm good for an hour and a half.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, I forget to charge them all the time too.
So Derek, this has been so much fun.
It has been. There's so much about the LinkBuds. I hope everybody learned a little bit more about it. It was great to kind of share how we use them, but everybody's use case is going to be a little bit different.
Yes, and I need to know. So if you already have them, please let us know your favorite features in the comments.
Yeah, and if you don't have them, make sure you get them and then come back and share your favorite features as well as how you're using them as well. But if you do have any other additional questions and want to learn from a Sony expert like ourselves, there's a link in the description below for the Sony 101 consultation program. We also offer a video chat option to make sure we're sharing the information the most accurately that we can to find the best Sony solution for you and all your needs. I've been Derek from Sony.
And I've been Jackie.
Thanks for watching.